Let's start your investment journey.
Hi, and welcome to another edition of our weekly market outlook report for the week starting Monday, the 26th of April. We have a busy week ahead of us, which starts with US durable goods orders on Monday. On Tuesday, we should be on the lookout for Bank of Japan interest rate decision and press conference. Also, US consumer confidence is published for April. Going forward, preliminary Canadian retail sales will be followed by crude oil inventories. Also, Fed interest rate decision will be followed by FOMC press conference and will be closely watched on Wednesday. On Thursday, key data releases are US preliminary Q1 GDP figures, jobless claims, and Japanese unemployment rate for March. The week will finish on Friday with Chinese manufacturing data, Eurozone preliminary consumer price index April figures, GDP for Q1, and Eurozone unemployment rate for March. Also in the afternoon, US Michigan consumer sentiment is announced. The earnings continue with companies like Pfizer, AMD, Facebook, Ford, Boeing, Gilead, Amazon, Spotify, American Airlines, Barclays, Lloyds, and HP. Now, let's take a look at a few markets. Let's start with the German 30 or the Dax Index, which is uptrending quite nicely here in a daily time frame. The key trading level to the downside is at 15,060. As long as that level holds, and we see a breakout higher, in particular breakouts above these current swing highs at 15,300, that could signify the extension, possibility of the extension to the upside, therefore continuation of this bullish trend, targeting additional resistance at 15,400, 15,500 and higher. Alternatively, if you see a push lower and a daily close below 15,000 in particular, that could open the way for a deeper corrective move, targeting additional support at 14,880, 14,800 to the downside. This is Nasdaq or US Tech Index, sideways consolidation here. This is the previous all-time high, current all-time high. Key support to the downside is at 13,750. As long as that level holds, and we see a breakout higher, in particular breakouts above this zone here at 13,980, 14,000, that could signify the extension of this upward move, targeting additional resistances at possibly 14,100, 200, 300, take your pick. It's uncharted territory and possibly a new all-time high. Alternatively, if you see a push lower and an end of day close below 13,720, a retest of that level from underneath, that could open the way for a deeper corrective move, targeting additional support initially at 13,600, possibly even lower. Euro dollar appears to be a bullish breakout here in the daily time frame. Key trading level is at 1.20. That's a major support breakout retest. Key trading level to the upside is at 121. Breakouts above 121 could open the way for the gradual move higher, targeting 121.70, 122.40, 123, possibly even higher. Alternatively, if you see a push lower, a daily close below 1.20, that would negate this breakout, potentially indicating the continuation of this sideways move, targeting additional supports towards 1.1940, 1.19, 1.1850 to the downside. Sterling dollar cable, this looks like a bullish breakout, and the retest key trading level is really at the cluster of these previous lows at 138, 138.20. As long as that level holds and we see a gradual move higher, in particular breakouts above this current swing high at 139, 15, 20, that could signify the continuation to the upside, targeting additional resistance at 1.40, breakout above 1.40, 1.41, 40, 41.40, possibly even 1.4250 to the upside. Alternatively, if you see a push lower and end of day close below this area here, in particular 138, 137.80, that could signify the possibility for a deeper corrective pullback towards additional supports at 137.40, 136.80. Dollar Japanese yen, it's coming to a major level of support, very close to this 107.80, 108. This is a daily candle with a big wick signifying the buying pressure. Significance of this rising trend line here is also very important. So breakout and a push higher from here, breakout in particular above 108.40. A retest of that level from above could open the way for a push higher, targeting 109, 110, possibly 110.80. Alternatively, if you see a push lower and a loss of 107.50, that could trigger a deeper corrective move towards 107, possibly even 106.50 to the downside. Gold, a double bottom here and a breakout with divergence pointing here in the indicator with the higher lows. Key trading level is at 1750. So pullback to 1750 and a rally, or a gradual move higher and a breakout, an end of day close below 1800 could trigger the extension to the upside, targeting additional resistances at 1810, 1827, 1855, which would be 200 period moving average, and then also falling resistance trend line here. Alternatively, if you see a pullback lower and a loss of 1750, a daily close below that level, that could signify the possibility for a deeper corrective move towards additional downside supports at 1720, possibly even 1700. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Stay safe and happy trading. Bye for now.
Let's start your investment journey.